Suspect crashed into his home.
Yeah, for months there has been this gaping hole, right, like you see right here on the side of David Hickman's home. That is until a school administrator and an officer got together to help him out. KPRC2's Real One Belogan live in Pasadena tonight to explain how the city's permit office helped really speed up that process.
Danielle, Keith, it's a great happy ending in through it all here. That permit office there really sped up the process that typically takes months into a matter of hours to get this gaping hole closed up with the help of many in the community.
I'm not a big crier, but after this, I've realized I cry easily sometimes. But yeah, just a complete blessing for my dad.
Teresa Hickman says she's witnessed the true definition of community.
I mean, total strangers. They didn't know my dad at all. They had no clue who he was.
For months, her dad's home had this gaping hole on the side after a man in a stolen vehicle crashed into it. The person got away, and David Hickman, who is on a fixed income, didn't have insurance to help. So his daughter started saving. Then the Pasadena Deer Park tornado hit, damaging her roof.
Instead of doing a wall, we did a roof. And then we were like, okay, we're going to start over again, and hopefully by the first of the year, you know, hopefully we can get a friend or somebody, you know, that knows what they're doing, come and patch it up.
That someone came, and it wasn't a friend, but a stranger. An administrator at L.F. Smith Elementary told Officer David Garza,
3622.
who then started making calls to private businesses who stepped up.
That's what we do. I mean, as a police department, I mean, the image isn't always about taking someone to jail. It's about, literally is about helping people.
Hickman Lee says she and her family are forever grateful to all involved.
It takes a tribe. We just got a bigger tribe.
As for the person who started all of this by crashing into the home, that suspect was never caught. Live in Pasadena, Roman Belogan, KPRC 2 News.
All right, thanks, Real One. Hey, new game week.